set models of behavior for their congregants. What does the underlined word mean? Ecclesiastes is a chapter in the Bible. In this sentence, what does it mean?
Leaders of a church or religious organization.
Right, leaders of a church or religious organization. Now, how could you figure that out? What kind of context clues did they give?
Examples.
Such as, with the examples. Exactly. Number 3. Because the conflagration was aided by wind, it was so destructive that every building in the area was completely burned to the ground. What can you figure out that the underlined word means? Destroyed, burn. It was destructive. So you could go through there and they gave an explanation. Let's look at number 2. Rather than be involved in clandestine meetings, they did everything quite openly. What's the underlined word mean?
Secret group.
Secret. Like a secret group. You know that because they give you the opposite. There's a comparison. And then the first one, the girl was churlish, rude, sullen, and absolutely ill-mannered. Yeah,
Synonym.
It gives you the synonyms. She was rude, sullen. Now, I worked backwards because they were in the same order as the ones before that. Notice how if you use the context, if you look for the hints, you can figure out what the words mean in a lot of instances. Like I said, this isn't just for English class. We may be in English class right now, and obviously when we read short stories or when we read articles, we can use this skill. This is a skill that you should apply in every class. Yes?
Miss Jennifer, I didn't get what you said that was. What is that church thing?
Rude, bad,
Just rude.
or bad. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So you need to apply this not just in this classroom, but in social studies, in PE when you have to read about fishing in the textbook, in science class, but also outside of school. When you read newspapers, when you read sources online, you still can use this, and it is a quick way instead of going and getting out a dictionary. Now, for tomorrow, we've done some group work, we've done some individual work, we've had some discussions, question and answer. For tomorrow, I want you to bring in a newspaper article. It can be a hard copy from the newspaper your parents get. You can get it offline. That's fine. But bring in a newspaper article with at least one word that you do not know the meaning of positively, that has context clues to help you figure out what that meant. Then we are going to look at those examples together. We're going to swap articles and discuss that tomorrow. Are there any questions?
Can it be a newspaper